Hello everybody. Now we have a typewriter, the Remington Junior. It's one of the 300 typewriters and calculators we will review in future. Considering one or two per week, we have a lot of work to do in next years. Now let's see this typewriter. Every button has a white label protected by a little glass plate. Very great attention to details. Remington is an historical producer of typewriters, rifles, sewing machine, and in general mechanical devices. They introduced the QWERTY system and produced the first typewriter to include both upper and lower case letters with a shift key. Remington Junior is an economical model. It's portable, designed for home use and for students. There is the Italian layout, and checking the serial number, we see should be around 1938. The Remington portable typewriters in the 20s and 30s of last century were very popular. There was a wide range of these Remington typewriters, often with little variations from one model to the other. It has 42 buttons with backspace, the shift, and shift lock. There isn't the 1 and the 0 in the numbers. Now it feels strange, but it was common to use the E and O instead. This is the interline and the lever to free the carriage. With this knob you advance the roller and the paper. There are the classic levers with the letters and numbers. Here you can see the mechanism of the lever. There is a simple linkage between a gear moved by the pressure of the button and the lever with the letters with mesh together. Now let's try to write something. Some problems with ribbon, red and black, but it's very fast and clear. Next week we will review another typewriter, a Olivetti M40, a piece of history of Olivetti. So join the channel if you like, and many thanks for listening.